Hey guys, Sean here again with the DJ Biz School, and we are bringing you some bonus content this week. And if you haven't already, check out our main video this week, the 5 tips that every DJ should know to maximize their Google business profile. Since that video dropped, we've had a few questions come in. How do you post to your Google business profile? So that is a great question, and it's something we didn't discuss in the video. So I want to make you guys a little extra video this week showing you how you can post regularly to your Google business profile. So we're going to be doing this from desktop. If you're doing it from mobile, to access this, you're going to do it through Google Maps. Simply open up Google Maps. Down at the icon, down at the bottom will be an icon for your business profile. In this case, again, we're doing it from desktop. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to sign in. Once again, the website is business.google.com. Once signed in, it's going to bring up the different businesses you manage. In this case, we're going to do our main business, North Georgia Weddings and Events. Once you click on the business, it is going to load up your business profile, and this is where you can manage and do different stuff with it. You can add your photos, you can add a Q&A section, which is another topic we didn't discuss in the video, but that also will help your SEO. Add in a Q&A section. For this specific one though, what we're looking to do is add update. You have 3 types of updates you can add. You can add a normal update, which is what a post is. You can add an offer. So if you're running some type of sale, you can schedule an offer on there. And you can add an event if you have a public event coming up that you want to let customers know about. So in this case, we are going to add an update so we can make our first post. Now, you can add images to this as well as your actual post. So first thing we're going to do is add some images. And what we're looking to advertise is actually our newest photo booth. So we're going to go ahead and drop those photos in that we want to go along with the post. And then we already have a post ready that we got from ChatGPT, essentially announcing our new service. So we are going to drop that in as well. And make sure we are good on characters, which we are. All right, so a couple things with your post. Emojis are okay. Don't go super crazy with them. Your post can get rejected. I did add some into this one. I'm thinking it will get by. If not, Google lets you know that your post was rejected. Go back, remove some of the emojis, and repost it. Do not post hashtags. Hashtags do absolutely nothing when it comes to your Google business profile. There's no need for them. Instead, have a very strong SEO description for your post of what you're looking to market. In this case, we are marketing our Spotlight photo booth. So you're going to see that appear several times in here. You want to fix that. Once again, when you are using ChatGPT, always double check your work. ChatGPT, although is great, it does make mistakes once in a while. That's good. Everything looks good. And then we're going to simply click post. So as you can see there, our update's been posted. Google is now going to review this. And then, as I said earlier, if it isn't approved, Google will notify us via email. So we're going to simply click done. All right, guys. So now is when we'd normally go and check to see if our post made it. And we can also review past posts, updates, and offers that we've ran on our business page. However, as of right now, there is a worldwide outage when it comes to Google Post updates. So we cannot actually go in and show you guys the current updates. But what I like to do to check is I like to search for myself in incognito mode. When you search for yourself under your own user on Google, you visit your site often, it's actually going to rank you higher for yourself because of how many times you're visiting your own website and your own business page. By doing it under incognito mode, it's hiding that information from Google, which is going to help give you a more accurate representation of where you're actually ranking when it comes to Google. So in this case, I searched Commerce Wedding DJ, and I can already tell we're right here on the side with their little AI thing. North Georgia Weddings and Events, our Best of Georgia award right there. And then the other ones by us are The Knot and Yelp. So we're going to scroll down, and you can see instantly right there on the side, it instantly pulled us up, North Georgia Weddings and Events. Normally there's going to be a section here so you can see updates from the business. However, again, there is an outage right now and nothing is appearing. If you're doing this from mobile, again, if it's through Google Maps, and you simply pull up the business profile and you click see updates and then go to updates by owner, and you'll see all of the updates from that business. So unfortunately, we can't show you guys the end result of it right now. Google is working on the issue, it sounds like, and it should be resolved. But for now, our post is submitted. So hopefully this helped you guys enough so you can go and start submitting your own posts. Again, make a few posts a week if you can. If you get a bunch of photos at one time, maybe space those photos out over multiple posts instead of just uploading them all in one shot. So like for our new Spotlight photo booth, I had a bunch of new photos to post to advertise for that. I put 2 on this post, and now we'll put a post out again on Friday using some more of those photos. And that way we're going to have a steady stream of posts to this business profile, which again is going to help us continue to rank higher when it comes to Google search. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. And yeah, we'll see you guys next Wednesday, our next episode of the DJ Biz School here on YouTube. Once again, make sure, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, gong that bell for us so you get notifications. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and we'll see you next Wednesday here on the DJ Biz School. Drop the beat, rise above, DJ Biz School.